You are in the ocean. Mr. Smiley won't leave you alone. What do you do? The ocean. The great blue. Ah! Fish! Find some rocks. First you find some sand. Then there's the rocks. No one wants to look at us. What? Oh, Mr. Smiley is gone. He's in the cave. Hello. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. My memory looks thick. Yeah. Like, fuck you. Mr. Smiley. Mr. Smiley looks very evil. Come back. Too active. Blue fish. I will have more eventually. But this is all that is so far in W.